Mother of God. What the fuck happened there? Right, mate. Good one.
Ah, fuck with this, man. Holy shit, these guys are damn smart. Fuck, am I doing this again?
What the f are you doing? Just go. Go. Idiot. Whoa.
Start recording emergency video.
Fucking stupid cunt. That was a good one. Oh shit, yeah.
To make a citizen out of you.
Whoa.
Yarding, look at this clean. What's he doing? What's he doing?
I don't know.
He's not too quick, this bloke. Can we camera on this bloke?
Yep.
Oh, off he goes. Oh, champion.
Because now he's.
Oh, here he goes. Oh, champion, Scotty.
I don't know what just happened.
And I knew he wasn't when lunchtime came around. Shit. I didn't lock up that night with the seatbelt thing. Hey, Scotty, have a go at that. Oh, Scotty. Ah, shitbag titty of the week, Scotty.
Not quite.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
What a fucking asshole. YMI 52W. YMI 52W.
Claims violent videos are not being removed, and Qantas has announced a major shake-up of its frequent flyer program, one of the biggest ever changes in its 35-year history. More than half the country are members. They'll now have access to 20 million aircraft reward seats.
Fucking what are you doing?
Say my name.
On for you, Scotty.
5 rounds, South Sydney coach Jason Demetrio.
You can.
Stressful, and yeah, it caused me a lot of anxiety at the time, which wasn't fun.
You had a group of friends who you say were very judgmental of you at that time. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, so I had a group of friends who I had known since I was 5 years old. We went to school together. We've been best friends. There was probably like 7, and I ended up going down to about 700 subscribers at that time. So I lost like so many. But the way that I looked at it at the time was, well, people that I've lost probably weren't really paying for content. The people that have stayed are the ones that are actually mostly buying the content. And it was a bit stressful for like a month or two there. I think it was like June, July 2022 that this was happening. But then, yeah, eventually I just put in the hard work and I rebuilt my subscriber account, and now I'm at like 7,000 paid subs.
When you say you put in the hard
fucking idiots! What the fuck?
That was a real asshole.
Like, fair dinkum. They'll get narrow. Yeah. You idiot. Pissed off in patrol. Twice the fuel.
Oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, he's gonna just cut, he's gonna go across this car.
We're getting off here.
No, it's not.
Video.
That blue car might have been in his blind spot.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, shit. Slow down.
Get out of my way.
He's trying to in the lane. Get past that car now.
Freaking clown. He's not looking.
He's not looking.
Are you driving with your eyes open? Are you like using the force?
Whoa, whoa.
So I haven't been out much. So.
Oh, yeah, good one. Did you?
Oh, God. Oh, that's well read.
Our laws in the UK on reporting of crimes fall.
Oh, classic. Scotty! It's a classic!